Rocks of Sugarwell here, welcome to my channel. I'm making lip tint today from ingredients I already have laying around. Lip products usually contain wax, but I don't have any, so I'm using what I do have, and it will still be a really good lip tint, just to prove you don't need fancy ingredients like isododecane to get results. First thing I'm going to do is mix up the colour I want. I'm using mica because I've got plenty of it, and I'm aiming for a purpley kind of antique pink. I'm starting off with this pink that's verging on the coral to my eye to begin with, and to get it more purple I'm adding a bit of, well, purple and some blue. I want 3 grams of mica in total. That's 1/5 of the total 15 grams I'm making here. 15 grams will last for ages. I'm adding more of the pink and making sure that's really well mixed together and looking fine with no clumps. So I'm using stearic acid in place of wax. This will make the end product harder, and stearic acid itself is conditioning and has a nice velvety skin feel. I'm using 3 grams. Next up, I'm putting in 2.25 grams of cocoa butter. This will contribute to the overall hardness, and cocoa butter is an occlusive like shea butter. Now for the shea butter, 2.25 grams again. Shea butter is sticky. It's an occlusive like the cocoa butter, and this will help a thin layer of the lippy stick to your lips. I want some coconut oil, 3 grams, so that the lippy melts easier on contact with the skin and glides on smoothly. Lastly, I'm adding just 1.5 grams of castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, sticky oil that's slow to penetrate the skin, so it will stay on your lips longer and add a bit of gloss. I place the oil ingredients in a water bath and melt them down on the hob. I'm repurposing this little 15-gram mint tin to package my lip tint. When the oils have melted, it's simply a matter of adding the mica blend and giving it a good old stir to make sure there are no clumps. If you have one of those little coffee frothers, which I don't, you could use that. That looks great, so I'm just going to pour it straight into my little tin and leave it to set. It doesn't take long to set, and bingo, we have a lip tint that doesn't break the bank because you don't have to buy a long list of special ingredients, and simple enough to make an easy, fun little project for kids. Right, I'm off to the shop for a pint of milk. See you later.